Hi, I'm a physician and medical school professor, and in this short video, we're going to talk about the importance and the craziness of diagnosis codes. This is a book of ICD-10 codes, diagnosis codes, more than 68,000 codes in this book. It's more than 1,000 pages long with really tiny print. It's almost like a huge phone book for medical diseases or conditions or diagnoses, and hospitals and doctors, they go by the numbers of the diagnoses within this book when they're doing documentation and billing and all kinds of things within providing medical care. And it's insane the level of specificity of the codes within this book. There is a specific code if someone is sucked into a jet engine, a specific code not just if they're hit by a bird, not just if they're hit by a parrot, but specifically a New World parrot, a macaw. There is a code just for that. Or if somebody gets injured because your water skis caught on fire. How your water skis could catch on fire, they're in water, I have no idea. But if it happened, there is a code for that. And yet equally crazy are some of the things that are not in this book. So specifically, if we look at things like the Titin, T-I-T-I-N protein. It is the largest protein not only in all of humans, but in all of nature. It is importantly and crucial for muscle function. The gene responsible for creating this protein is called the TTN or the TTN gene. And mutations or problems with that gene will then cause problems with the Titin protein, which causes problems with the muscle function. So, for example, it can cause cardiomyopathy. Cardio meaning heart, myopathy meaning muscle disorder. So problems with this gene causing problems with this protein are the number one most common cause of inherited, meaning genetic, cardiomyopathy. And cardiomyopathy can cause heart failure and need for heart transplants and lots of morbidity and mortality. And again, here is the most common genetic cause of those cardiomyopathies, and yet it doesn't make it anywhere into this book. And that's a huge problem because if it's not in the book, then doctors and hospitals don't specifically code for it, and that decreases the awareness of this condition. It decreases the ability for research to be done. So what I'm really hoping through this video is that somebody who's responsible for this massive book will see fit to adding TTN gene mutations and Titin protein problems to the list of diagnoses within this book. There's lots of other genetic mutations that are listed in the book. There's lots of other protein, other protein or enzyme disorders that are listed in the book. But this one is not, and I think it's a big oversight. I think it would be fantastic if it could be added. So that's my tip or hope for this video. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.